to introduce you drone. So I have bought Mavic Mini Fly More Combo. It has two versions. One is the simple one and the other one is Fly More Combo, which has additionally 3 batteries as well as propeller guard. So we have the drone, joystick, battery container and the beautiful box. So let's get started. So now I'm going to unbox the drone. So here's the box. First of all, so these are the propeller guards. Okay, so here we have some wire cables. This is the joystick. Here are the manuals in different languages. A lot of languages I can see. Same but in different versions. Here we have connecting cables for different sort of mobiles. So we have 2 spare joysticks.
circular and rectangular column. And the rear side is just circular. So the front side I'm going to fix here. First I will insert the front side. Now I'm going to just click this. So you will hear a click sound, which means it is properly fixed. In the same way, I'll fix this. Front side. that, this is how you can safeguard your propellers. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. In this video I just showed you how we have done the unboxing of this drone. See you in next video. Till then, have a nice time. Bye bye.